Hello, everyone. I'm proud to introduce the Probability Power Calculator tool, patent pending. This tool is all-in-one with the Probability Power Indicators tools. And in order to add it into your chart, just go to Indicators, Invite Only Scripts, and you can add it. Once added, you'll see both boxes here. First, we have the short-term probability box, and this is best used for day trading. And we have the long-term probability box, which is slightly out of view, which is best for swing trading and long-term investing. And if you adjust your chart, you'll be able to see the long-term probability box come into view. Now, we can use these tools with the other tools in the Probability Power Indicators package, such as the Power Volume tool, Cloud tool, Power Opens tool, institutional zones, Power Major and Minor zones, and the Elastic Bands tools. So let's focus on the short-term probability box. If you go to settings, you can deselect long-term and only focus on the short-term box. And you'll see that it is divided into 3/3. You can adjust the divisions here under the short-term probability power box divisions. If you would like to have, say, 5 boxes, it will divide it up into 5 boxes. Additionally, you can add percentages. When looking at divisional percentages, you'll have the thirds. In the top third, the buy is 33%, and the short would be 66%. And inversely, in the bottom third, the long-term, or the buy will have 66%, and the short will have 33%. If you change the percentages to box percentages, then you get real-time percentages based off of the current price of the stock, crypto, or future. These tools have been developed over the past 12 years of the design, the algorithm, and the calculations in order to get real-time percentages and zones for the divisional percentages. And the power calculator is patent pending. So we hope that you will subscribe to the channel, and we will be including videos on how to set up trades using the short-term, long-term probability boxes, as well as the other probability power indicators. We also have a free Discord with the link in the description if you want to join, and you won't miss any of our case studies and trade setups for both the power indicators tools and power calculators tools.